Going on, everyone? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE 300 4MATIC. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder with a mild hybrid technology with 245 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. So the CLE comes in a coupe or a convertible, from my understanding. I've never driven one of these before. I'm pretty sure it's very similar to the CLA and also the C-Class, the C300, which I both made videos on the 25 models if you wanted to check those out. Interior looks very similar to those models as well. You have paddle shifters, you have a pretty nice digital display. You also have the center screen over here. You have heated seats, but no ventilated seats in this car, but you do have Burmester sound system, which is cool. You have open port wood trim. I like the way these AC vents look. You have a wireless charging tray over there. I really like where that tray is placed. If you don't want to see the cup holders or your phone over there, you can just push that tray back. And here is the center console. You have a nice white interior in here. It's like, I believe this is like the macchiato beige interior. It looks good. You have a panoramic sunroof in the CLE 300 coupe as well. You have a backup camera, pretty good resolution. You have parking sensors, not a 360 view, however. And there's a seatbelt feeder. Dynamic mode. You have eco, comfort, sport, and individual. We're going to put it in sport. And now let's walk around the vehicle. We'll see what it looks like, and then we'll take it out for a drive. And you also have the Mercedes seat controls on the door, pretty common. That's always been a Mercedes thing. Pretty big door. Black exterior on this one, with nice looking black and silver wheels. Good looking car. I also like the taillights. You have, looks like the exhausts are hidden, but you have like those little two pieces to make it look like it has exhausts. CLE 300 4MATIC badge. Here's the trunk. Pretty decent space for a coupe. Whoa. Looks like it's power operated, but if you pull it down halfway, it'll just close on its own. But let's see how it drives now. Pretty standard Mercedes key fob. Pretty cold day here today, so feels good to sit in this warm interior right now. I think the black with the lighter exterior with the lighter interior is a good combination. Looks pretty cool. Pretty nice acceleration as well. It's nice and smooth. Steering feels good too, and the seats are pretty comfortable, except the headrests are kind of hard. I do notice that the headrests are a little bit stiff for my liking. Yeah, it accelerates well. Blind spots are a little bit hard to see out of. Can't really see, I honestly can't really see much, to be honest, out of the blind spots. But you do have blind spot alert. with those little triangles in the mirrors, another very normal Mercedes thing. But yeah, like you try to look out of your blind spot, like the B pillar is pretty big, and that tiny window in the rear doesn't really help you much in terms of helping you see what's behind you. And also typical 4-cylinder sound, nothing too great. I mean, it sounds normal for 4-cylinder. But acceleration wise, like, you know, right off the line, or if you're trying to overtake in traffic, it responds quickly and how you would want it to. The heated seats are doing a pretty good job of, you know, keeping me warm. It is cool how it has Burmester sound though, because this one is more on the basic model side, and yet it has the nice premium sound system. And I like how the turn signal stock doesn't feel flimsy, and it, you know, you have that satisfying click whenever you push it up or down. But overall, this is a nice Mercedes-Benz CLE 300. First time driving one. Pretty good driving experience. It's a good looking car. And overall, it's nice. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of pre-owned Mercedes-Benz models such as this one.